Want to see a whack load of butter? Look at this baby. Just gonna make a little garlic butter. Got about 50 cloves of garlic here. Put it all in. And just let this simmer for 20 minutes. That's it. Finish off there. It's beautiful drawn butter here, ready for our garlic bread. Just drizzle that on. You don't have to play around at this point, just get it all on. Slather it on. This is going to be ooey gooey, perfect. I'm gonna make some garlic cheese bread here. Just get all of my butter. This is infused with garlic, so the flavor, you can really smell it's all there. A little bit of parm. That'll melt in there and it'll be ooey gooey good. Perfect. Just put a little bit more there because you can't really have too much cheese in this situation because it all tastes good. And a little parsley just to add some color and a little bit more flavor. Let's just get these onto the foil. Do a little pouch. These garlic bread, they're just gonna go on the grill at the last minute. Ooey gooey good. Mwah. And because we're using all of our grill, garlic cheese bread on top, that's gonna melt and be ooey gooey good.